Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add multiple currencies to your Shopify store. Opening your store to multiple currencies makes it easier for international customers to shop and can help increase global sales. Let's go through the steps together. We'll start by going to Shopify. To manage your markets, look at the Markets section in the left side of your dashboard. Once we are in the Markets section, we can add new markets, like creating a European Union market. We just need to click on the price so we can add more currencies. As you can see, we can start selling in multiple currencies. Once we add one, it will be set up. We need to make sure it is set to active. Once that's done, make sure to save. Now, when we add another market, we get more currencies. We can have European currencies, Philippine peso, US dollar, and more. That's how we add currencies. Just click the plus sign, then add it, set it to active, and save. The more markets we add, the more currencies we have in our Shopify store. We can also set up currencies by enabling our payment providers. We just need to go to Payments in Settings. Inside Payments, we can add more providers. We need to log into each provider. Once the provider is set up, we can also add a payment method so customers can pay with their cards in different currencies. That's how we add multiple currencies to our Shopify store. With this setup, customers can shop in their preferred currency, improving their experience and boosting sales worldwide.